Okay, what we want to go over today is two things. One, checking people into class, and two, processing their payments. All right, what you see here is the admin website. This can be found at admin.fitdegree.com, and your studio owner will provide your login credentials. To see the live schedule, I'm going to click this icon, and I see a list view of the next upcoming classes. I click into the class that I'm ready to teach, and now I'm brought to the class roster. Now the class roster, if I want to add a person, I type in here. If they're here, I find them. If they're not here, I can create a new user. And the only things I need to fill out are their first name, their last name, and their email. So let's just say I put in Nick Dennis, and I say nick@nick.com. Create. And now you see that user is here. And they're already checked in because I just found them. Now for people that are already on the list, there's three colors we're going to look at: green, gray, and red. Green means we're good to go. So this is an email icon. That means I have their email. Gray means I don't have it, so I don't have their phone number. Red is bad. That means debt. So that means if I click onto this, I'll see what this user owes. So I know that they went to all of these classes and they never paid up. And as before, gray means I don't have it. So all of these I don't have. All I need to do is click on the phone icon, add a phone number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Add. Now that phone number is saved. The next thing on the list would be the debt if I wanted to cover that, but these are our demo accounts, so I'm not going to worry about it. The next thing would be the waiver, so I click in. This would be the waiver. I click sign waiver. They can draw with their finger, sign in. Now that lights up green because they signed the waiver. Next thing would be to pay. So all I have to do is click that money sign. If they have any items, they'll be up here. If they need to buy an item, it would be down here. Someone with an item, super simple. Use. I know how many uses are left. I know when it expires. Use items and complete. Now that's checked in. And the last thing I would do, check them into class. Now, if someone doesn't have any items on their file, so let's just say I go into this person. Oh, they have something. Who was it? So my applicable items, there are none. So we need to buy them something. So we can look at the options down here. We have our drop-in, we have class passes, and we have our memberships. So let's just say they want to purchase just a drop-in. I click on the button. I choose how they want to pay. For this example, I'll choose cash. And then I will complete the sale. That simple, she's paid. Now, the other way to check people in would be on your on-the-go app, which is available on the App Store and the Google Play Store. And I'm just going to show you what that looks like from my laptop. So this is the interface that you'll first find. It'll be the day of the week that you're on, and it'll be all of the instructors' schedules. Now, if you click this button here, this will bring you to a list view of today's classes. And I can click forward and backwards to find the next day. I'm going to click into the class that I want, and now you can see some of these are filled out because we just did them on the admin website. It's going to be very similar where I could check people in here, so I can find people, bring them into class. Now it's going to bring me to this screen. I know that they've signed their waiver. I know that they're checked in because I just found them, and now I need to make a payment for them. They have a class pass, so I'm going to use it. I see the uses, the expiration date, confirm and pay. That turns green, done. Should be really straightforward. If you see an icon, you can click it and that'll be your action. If you have any questions, ask your studio owner, or you could shoot me an email at nick@fitdegree.com, nick@fitdegree.com. Thanks.